I wanted to come do another crackle pumpkin. It's not going to be the full tutorial, but I have videos on it if you want to watch a full crackle pumpkin tutorial. This is going to be a quick pour to see if I can create a little bit different look for the pumpkin. Petra does them, I think Nicole does them, where they add stones somewhere in different shaped molds, and it looks really cool. So what I'm thinking today is I'm going to pour in through the stem, and then I'm going to use stones and crushed glass to do the top of the pumpkin. So I've mixed up 14 ounces of resin. I divided it amongst, it's really there's 7 cups, but this cup has twice the amount in it because this is going to be the initial pour cup. And this is Sandalwood by Octopus Fluids Resin Ink. It's a resin ink. So I'm going to take it and start the pour. And I have to go kind of slow so it doesn't pour over the stem. I'm going to let that catch up, and I'll talk about what else I've got here. It's going to be a kind of pink pumpkin, except that I'm going to add some. This is Green Day by Eye Candy. I'm using all eye candies. And I also have some Rose Gold by Eye Candy. And then last, a really pinky orange, this orange here. So it's going to look a little different, but we'll see how it goes. The tricky part is going to be pouring slow. All right, now we're going to start with our next one. I think I'm going to do that closer to the stem. We will see how this works out. And now we do some more transparent. And let's see, what color do we want to do next? Let's do our rose gold. Wow, it's slowly working its way. It'll be interesting to see how it fills the mold. Having to take it out a little bit. To help it grow. All right, so that 1 cup is done. It is going very slow, isn't it? All right, so now we have our next mica powder. Ooh. Overfilling it. There we go. Let it move slowly. Sort of looks like a big mushroom. I got some more Green Day to do. I think I'm going to go ahead and use all of this. Just a little slow. All right, just letting it move. I'm going to start with more transparent, pushing the mica down. I might need just a tad more transparent there. All right, we'll do, I think, save the rose gold. Let's do that orangey pink. Again, I'm doing it really slow. I could go a little faster in the beginning, but now I've had to slow it down some. All right. Just have to keep slowing down because I'm overfilling the stem. I got to give it time to move, but I want to get the rest of this in here. All right, and now we have the last of the rose gold. And our final push, still just letting it move a little. All right, I think that's all I'm going to do. And now, I wish I had just a little bit more mica powder of something. Let me see if I can pull any from these cups. I got a big section here, and I'm afraid it will be too big of a section that's free. So let's just do that. I don't know that I'm going to be able to push it any, but we'll see. It's just like a little spot. All right, that's all I'm going to do. Now, I pulled these out and these because they're brown for the stem. And I'm just thinking, is this going to be too gold or too pink for what I was thinking? So let's do this. Let's do this. I have a good bit of gold bits. And I have these brown bits. Take my scoop. I don't know why I put that lid back on already because I'm going to need more. It's kind of moving on me. I'm going to get a couple more of the gold. Oops, shook that too much. All right. I have some that have gone astray. I got to get those back over here. Get in here. Some that went astray. And then we're going to come in here and just incorporate these. All right. Well, I'm not sure how this is going to work out. Push those back in there. But we're going to go with it and see how it works. I'm going to wait like 10 minutes. I'll hit it with heat to make sure I don't have any bubbles. And then we just cross our fingers. I didn't get enough clear through the mold, so I don't know there's going to be crackle around the edge. So maybe I should have poured more clear in the beginning. But you just never know. We'll probably still get something cool and go with it. See you later. All right, let's check out our test. It does look like some of my bits traveled. And I think that had to do with the way that I poured it through here and then it had to spread slowly. That's okay. We'll see how it looks. I can't imagine that that would ruin it. It would be my crazy pour and how I did my colors that would impact it. All right, so let's check it out. Let's just hope for something cool. I do like the way the back looks. It's almost like a patina with the green like it is. All right. This one's a tough one because I'm really worried about the way it looks. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. Oh my, that is super cool. Now, these, because they traveled so far, didn't have as much of the crackle. The mica powder was at the edge instead, but it looks super, super cool. Almost like a gradient pumpkin. I like it a lot. What do you think? Is it insane? Is it not cool? Let me get you a little closer to the design of it. See, this is where I'm talking about maybe more transparent was needed for the mica powder. But I don't hate it. I don't hate it at all. It's a very, very fun pumpkin.